Hello, me fixing everything. And because there is always something to be fixed, I want to show you today this concrete column that is supporting my whole garage. Now, the main problem was spotted right there around these bricks. Had my uncle pulled all 3 bricks right there straight off with his hands. This garage has 2 units on the front, so it's going deep down, and it doesn't have no columns. It got the middle wall and 2 side walls, and this one is being exposed to the south sun for 45 years, and it's built in the 75-80s, and the materials are not being the best, so the mortar for the bricks, it's completely baked and it's not holding anything. So what is happening now, the whole wall on this side is trying to collapse this way. I will show you a few pictures. These are filmed, made right there. You can see that's the frame of the door of the garage, and this is where we have 2 centimeters of brick wall just trying to go to the right. Here you can see also the whole thing trying to collapse on one side. That's how it was looking before. Okay. What I used is already premixed concrete, which is B20 strength, depending on where in the world you are. Had to dig up the base of the column around there, and you can see here that the fundament for the garage is not deep at all. They just poured it onto the soil. So we dug around 40-50 centimeters. You can see here, and we're installing the metal frame. These rods are around 1 meter long, and they are, or more, meter and a half, and they're being hammered into the soil, and then I welded these profiles to the four rods. Then we poured concrete on top with a concrete mixer straight into the base of the column. This took around 250 kilograms of concrete, around 10 bags. And let's see the next pictures. We went to the store and we bought some steel framing rods, and that's the steel framing. You can see here we used 6 rods, M12. This is actually M10, or that's M14, maybe it's M14 and that's M12 in the middle. So that's how it looks, and they all wired up to the 4 here on the bottom, and we had to drill 3. I'll show you in a second. So there is 3 rods going through the slab on the top, just so we're sure it doesn't move left and right after. Give me a second. So what I was saying, we had drilled a few holes here, and we put some enforcing to the base as well. I drilled most every second brick, and I put a piece of rod so it holds the wall as well. You can see here connected to the floor. We use some spacers on the top as well. And now that's the framing for the concrete column. You just use the old wardrobe thingy. It's been enforced with a threaded rod through the side, and here you can see we put in the concrete base some reinforcement for the bottom before we poured the concrete, so it holds the wood. Oh, that's my kid, and I don't have any more pictures after removing the wood. That's the result, and we'll see. I'll report on it if it moves, but most likely on the front it will need another column, because if this one here is trying to fall off, maybe this one there is trying to fall off as well. That's it. I hope the video has been helpful to you. Give it a comment, give me your thoughts, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.